Hey everyone, June 16th. Wanted to set this up a little bit differently so it wasn't quite the Wizard of Oz format that I was dealing with before. Anyway, Dad and I went out earlier this afternoon and it was a slow bite. We went 1 for 3. It was all on green dots. Um, the first fish was on the deep rigger down at 100. We took that a vegan rig. It was on for probably about a minute and a half, if that, and then it was gone. Dad had one on the diver, on the green dots flasher. That got off as well. And then the one that I'm going to put here, this is all the action we had. We got big coming in, Papa. We got big coming in. It's got a fish on it. Jesus Christ. That's the one we were looking for. Who's the guy that left that out that far?
I don't know, but better say where it's at.
Listo, Calisto. You want me to bring it? Oh, it's right there.
Let me get over your shoulder.
So yeah, that's that's how today was. It was between 120 and 140. There's a lot of bait out there. There's a lot of natural competition you have to deal with, and the only luck that we had was on the flasher fly with that green dots. And I sound like a broken record when I keep saying it, but the only reason I'm saying it is because it's the only thing that's taking fish for us right now. The spoons are. We might as well have been running nothing out there with them. And yeah, it's been the green dots. Same old story. But it's supposed to blow here. Well, maybe tomorrow might be decent to get out. So Captain Ron and I are talking about it, but we're gonna see what happens. The day after, which would be Thursday and Friday and Saturday, they all look nasty, nasty as far as the weather's with the wind and the rain and just something we're not going to deal with. So I had to get out there today. It's tough. It's the transition period. June, they're they're wherever they want to be right now. So finding them is difficult. Competing with the bait is difficult. But my best advice again is the green dots flash or fly. So thanks again for everyone who's stuck around, and we'll catch you on the next one.